If you could speak directly to all Australians affected by rare and less common cancers, what's the message you would like them to hear from you today?
The message I'd like them to hear, people with rare and uncommon cancers, is that they are at the heart of the Australian Cancer Plan. As we all know, the more common the cancer, the more attention it gets publicly, probably the more research it gets, and usually has better outcomes. So when we were developing the Australian Cancer Plan, we wanted to make sure that those people who weren't doing as well were central and were catered for.
And how important is the role of patient organisations like RCA in assisting the implementation of the plan?
Organisations like RCA are absolutely critical, not just in the implementation, but actually in the instigation of the plan. It was Richard Vimes who actually seeded the idea that we should have a national cancer plan. And that has become my life's work for the last 3 years and probably the next. But it really is vital that the advocacy groups are out there saying, what about us? Have you thought about this? Do not leave that person behind. And so they're just vital, central to everything we do.
And where do you see the Australian Cancer Plan really helping people with rare and less common cancers?
The Australian Cancer Plan is designed to make sure that the outcomes and experience for every person affected by every cancer are equitable. And that means that we have to lift up everyone, but some more than others, in order to achieve that. So all of the foundational pieces of work that we're doing relate to making sure the care is joined up, world's best, and that it includes the caring for the patient.
And why do you think events like CanForum are important?
It's really important to have these fora that focus on a particular problem, because unless we continually remember or are reminded about particular issues, they do slip out of consciousness. And so to have something like this, to demonstrate how far you've come as an organisation, to demonstrate how central you've become to the whole of cancer, that's a really important thing, to celebrate the good things. You know, yesterday we celebrated Kate Vines being awarded the Jeannie Ferris Award from Cancer Australia, and that was such a wonderful occasion. And she received that award because of the advocacy of Rare Cancers Australia. It's absolutely wonderful.
And last question, what does a better world for rare mean to you?
A better world for rare means that no one's left behind and that everyone has the opportunity and is enabled to receive best outcomes from their cancer and the best experience of their cancer journey.